Good morning, students. I'm Shalu Bhardwaj from Springfields Public School. I'm your maths teacher. Children, in your previous class, you have done three identities to solve the product of binomials. Now, we'll be doing the fourth identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. So the result will be x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So question number 2 of this exercise you have to solve by using this identity. The first part of this question is x plus 3 into x plus 7. Here the value of x, that is x only, value of a, that is 3, and value of b, that is 7. Now we'll use this identity, x plus a into x plus b, that is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we'll put the value of x we have x square, value of a is 3 and value of b is 7 into x plus 3 into 7. So the result will be x square 7 plus 3 10x, this 10 will be multiplied with x plus 21. Now I am taking its third part. This is 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. We will be using the same identity, but here minus signs are given to you. Wherever we have minus sign, we will put that sign in the identity. We will not change the identity, we will put these signs there. Now the value of x we have 4x, value of a is minus 5 and the value of b is minus 1. Now identity x plus a into x plus b, that is equals to x square into a plus b x plus ab. Now value of x we have 4x square plus minus 5 minus 1 into 4x plus minus 5 into minus 1. Now we'll solve this one. 16x square plus the sum of these two, one positive, one negative, both are negative, so minus 5 and minus 1, minus 6 into 4x plus, now these two on multiplication 5 ones are 5, the result will be positive. So the solution of this one will be 16x square minus 24x plus 5. Now I am taking its fourth part, 4x plus 5 and 4x minus 1. Here one positive and one negative sign is there. So value of x we have 4x, value of a, that is 5, and b is minus 1. So we'll use the same identity, x plus a into x plus b, that is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now x we have 4x square, a is 5 and b is minus 1 multiplied by 4x plus 5 into minus 1. 16x square, now one positive and one negative sign, 4 into 4x minus 5, because here one positive and one negative sign is there, so on multiplication this will become negative. 16x square plus 16x minus 5. Now we will be doing question number 6. Question number 4 and 5 we will be doing later on. 71 square. So we have to find out 71 square without multiplication by using identities. So 71 will split into two parts so that we can use our identities. So for this you have to use the first three identities. For this question number 6 we will be using first three identities in this question. This will be 70 plus 1 whole square. So we can use here a plus b whole square. That is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So at the place of a we will be writing here 70 square, 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1 square. Now 70 square will be 4900 plus 140 plus 1. So the sum of these three will be 5041. Now we will be taking its second part, that is 99 square. So 99 square, at the place of taking 90 plus 9, we will take 100 minus 1. So we will use here identity a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 whole square. 10,000 minus 200 plus 1. Now we have to solve this one. So our answer will be 10001 minus 200. That will be 9801. Now I am taking its sixth part, 297 into 303. 297, this will be 300 minus 3, and 303, this will be 300 plus 3. So here we can use a minus b into a plus b, means our third identity a square minus b square. So value of a 300 and value of b, that is 3. So the result will be 300 square minus 3 square. So the 300 square will be 90,000 minus 9. So it will be 89,991. 89,991. So you can complete question number 2 and question number 6.